Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to change name of block. So for example, I will create rectangle and convert this rectangle to block. You can type block, press enter. I will set the names example for base point in here. And for the entities, you can select the rectangle objects, click OK. Now you can see if you select, the name of this block is example. To rename, you can type rename, press enter, and then choose the block in here for the option. Click on the example. Now you can modify for the name. I will set into a rectangle. Click rename button. After it, click OK, and you select this block object. The name will be changed into rectangle. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to change name of block.